The most intelligent military drones on Earth were not invented by humans, they were copied from ants that have no leader, from birds that hunt with perfect precision, from predators that never miss their target. Before artificial intelligence existed, nature already mastered it. Today, the world's most powerful militaries are quietly learning from animals, and turning those lessons into billion-dollar AI drone systems. This is the hidden connection between wildlife and modern warfare. For over 3.8 billion years, nature has been running the greatest experiment in survival. Only the smartest strategies survive, only the most efficient behaviors last. When engineers tried to build artificial intelligence for military drones, they realized something shocking. Computers struggled with what animals do naturally: coordination, decision-making, adaptation, survival under pressure. So scientists stopped asking, how do we program intelligence? Number 10. An ant is tiny, weak, individually almost useless, but together, ant colonies behave like one super-intelligent organism. There is no central leader, no commander, no control room. Each ant follows simple rules: follow chemical signals, avoid obstacles, support nearby ants. Yet the colony can build complex structures, defend itself, launch coordinated attacks. Military scientists realized. Number 9. Bees don't vote with words, they vote with movement. When a hive needs a new home, scout bees explore locations, they return and perform dances. Better locations get stronger dances. Slowly, a decision emerges. Without arguments, without leaders, AI engineers copied this logic. Military drones now use distributed decision systems where no single drone controls the group. Decisions emerge from shared data. The best option wins automatically. This allows drone swarms to select targets, choose flight paths, adapt to enemy defenses, just like bees adapting to the environment. In modern warfare, speed of decision is everything. Nature already solved that problem. Number 8. An eagle can see a rabbit from several kilometers away, but it's not just eyesight. Eagles calculate angle, distance, speed, wind, all in real time. Surveillance drones were designed using the same principles: computer vision. Like a bird of prey locking onto its target, modern military drones no longer just record video, they understand what they see. Number 7. Wolves never attack blindly, they surround prey, test defenses, strike from multiple directions. Each wolf has a role. This inspired multi-agent AI systems. In drone warfare, one drone scouts, one distracts, others attack. If one drone fails, others adapt instantly. This behavior is known as adaptive teamwork. Straight from predator behavior, nature teaches a brutal lesson: team intelligence beats individual strength. Number 6. Bats hunt in total darkness, dolphins hunt in murky water. They don't rely on sight, they rely on data. Echolocation inspired, radar systems, sonar navigation, obstacle avoidance AI. Military drones now navigate, at night, through smoke, inside buildings. They don't see, they sense, just like animals. Number 5. Number 4. Reptiles like chameleons and octopuses can disappear in plain sight. They change color, texture, heat signatures. Military engineers copied this to develop radar-absorbing materials, heat-masking coatings, visual camouflage AI. Some drones are designed to blend into the sky. Number 3. Sharks have been perfecting stealth and efficiency for hundreds of millions of years. Their skin is covered in tiny scales called dermal denticles, which reduce drag and allow them to move silently through water. Predators and prey rarely detect them until it's too late. Military engineers studied sharks to design silent submarine coatings, low-noise torpedoes, hydrodynamic drone surfaces. Sharks teach us the art of moving undetected. Just like in nature, surprise and silence are weapons. AI military drones now borrow the same principle: smooth, quiet flight, minimal detection, maximum efficiency. Sharks prove one lesson that applies to war and AI: to survive and dominate, you must strike without being noticed. Number 2. Monarch butterflies travel thousands of miles every year using minimal energy. Their flight is highly aerodynamic, using wind currents and group formations. They migrate with incredible efficiency and endurance, navigating across continents. Military engineers studied butterflies to design energy-efficient drone flight paths, long-range autonomous surveillance drones, group coordination that minimizes power consumption. Number 1. Elephants are known for their incredible memory and social intelligence. They remember water sources, paths, and social connections for decades. Herds coordinate complex movements over long distances.